Greetings. For my presentation, I'm going to be doing one step beyond sustainable and talk about regenerative agriculture. This is farming without harming the planet. So, what is sustainable regenerative agriculture? It is practices that try to work alongside nature instead of against nature. Regenerative agriculture is one step above sustainable agriculture due to its attempts to reverse the degradation and rebuild soil to a healthier state instead of focusing on maintaining the soil's health. Why do we need regenerative agriculture? Due to climate change, farming throughout the United States is facing impending crises due to multiple factors such as the cost of living, soil erosion, growing populations, increased demand on food, and the increasing costs for grain and feed for livestock. All these issues can be addressed through regenerative agriculture to varying degrees. Common practices. Due to the diversity of farming and agricultural demands, regenerative agriculture is more than a specific set of practices. It is instead a mindset. The major goal is to make measurable improvements in soil health. To be successful, adopting regenerative agriculture and adapting management practices that fit each unique operation and piece of land must occur. Some of the common practices, including planting crops with no till, thus minimizing disturbances to the soil and damaging their health, decreased use of fertilizer and pesticides, incorporating cover crops and diverse forage species into monoculture crops, using adaptive multi-paddock grazing by moving cattle or other pastured animals throughout small areas of the overall land. This allows the grazing land to recover throughout the year. What isn't regenerative agriculture? One, it's not new. It has been practiced for centuries. Nature already provides the foundation for the farm, only asking that the farmers understand how to work with nature to maximize these processes. It is also not a marketing trend. Ranchers can manage and sell to whichever market makes the most sense, such as traditional market venues, direct to commercial marketing chains, and direct to niche markets, regardless of being called regenerative agriculture. It is not a prescription. It is not, there is no one size fit all situation. Guidelines can be adopted by anyone, though, and adjusted to the type of farm and ranch as needed. Traditional farming does four things: it competes with nature, it disturbs soil, it is monoculture, meaning single thing, corn, whatever, single cropped, and it is reductionist. Whereas regenerative farming partners with nature, protects soil, allows for diversity, and is holistic. Other benefits of regenerative agriculture: it increases the organic materials as decomposed life that helps grow more life in the soil. It increases the biodiversity, helping the ecosystem perform at its best. Increasing soil health adds to its ability to hold rainwater, diminishing runoff and erosion, leading to more water staying in the ground to help the plants during drought. With less runoff, diminished synthetic chemicals washing into local lakes, rivers, or oceans occur. Different plants and animals play important roles dependent on each other. Increasing plant and animal diversity, farmers and ranchers can build resistances against pests. With regenerative agriculture, weeds aren't seen as a negative thing due to being able to provide food for livestock, meaning that the farmer doesn't need to spray as much herbicide and has another source of nutrients for livestock. When taken as a whole, the cost savings and the creation of a cleaner environment is a benefit to the farm and the ecosystem at large. Additional benefits: the soil acts as a natural water filter, meaning the healthier the soil, the better it can support plant life. Farmers can maximize water quality with regenerative agriculture by keeping land fully covered, which limits the need to use synthetic fertilizer and pesticides. Plants can work as air filters, taking in carbon dioxide from atmosphere, turning it into sugar and oxygen back into the soil. So healthy soil equates to healthier plants, and the better the whole process works. It stimulates enhanced wildlife habitats, with many farmers that adopt regenerative agriculture reporting an increase in number and variety of species on their land, including native grass, birds, earthworms, insects, deer, etc. Regenerative agriculture assists in the capturing of carbon in the soil to combat climate change. Through a mix of plant life taking in carbon from the air to store in the soil, through livestock grazing on the plant life, the carbon cycle continues, enhancing life every step of the way. Is regenerative agriculture profitable? Of course, ranchers need to make a living to reinvest in their lands and its restoration. Although many farmers and ranchers have started in regenerative ranching without realizing it, instead simply thinking they are making changes to cut costs. Ranchers knew that the least costly way to feed a cow was with grass, which led them to find ways to grow more forage than fewer or no additional input. This taught the importance of the soil as the foundation for the whole system, changing the question to how can we improve soil health as opposed to how do we grow more grass. Throughout working with the ecosystem, they created soil that helped be more resilient, leading to more consistent and productive production, even in the face of extreme weather. This led to greater profits as they were able to reduce costs through fertilizer, pesticides, and supplemental feed, and those that switched to no-till also saved on costs for fuel and spent less time in the tractor. Many regenerative farmers have reported being able to grow more forage to support more cattle and grazing animals such as goats, sheep, pig, etc., which increases biodiversity on the ranch while also creating new streams of revenue. For these reasons, it helps the farm become more sustainable while also profitable. And then these were my references.